Hello friends, my name is Ramasu. Today we shall discuss about a topic that what is Scrum. Friend, today's topic is very interesting, especially if you have interest in agile software development and project management methodologies. So let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my videos can reach to you. And also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. So what is a Scrum actually? Friend, Scrum is a framework for project management that emphasizes teamwork, accountability, and iterative progress toward a well defined goal. Scrum is often part of agile software development. It is named for a rugby formation in which every one player plays a role. Software development Scrum roles include the following: product owner. This person serves as the liaison between the development team and its customer. The product owner is responsible for ensuring that expectations for the completed product are communicated and agreed upon. Next one is the Scrum Master. Scrum Master is referred to as the project facilitator. They ensure Scrum best practices are followed. They must be good leaders and project managers, skilled at collaboration, conflict resolution, and process improvement. Development team. Development team members of Scrum development team work together to create and test incremental releases of the final product. Developers must know Scrum and Agile development practices. So now what is the Scrum process actually, friend? Friend, the Scrum process encourages practitioners to work with what they have and continually evaluate what is or is not working. Good communication is essential and is carried out through meetings called events. Scrum events include the following: Daily Scrum. This event is a short stand up daily meeting that takes place in the same place and time each day. In these meetings, the team reviews work accomplished the previous day and plans what will be done in the next 24 hours. This is the time when team members discuss problems that might prevent project completion. Sprint. Sprint is the time frame in which work must be completed, often 30 days. New sprints start right after the end of the previous one. Sprint planning meeting. In these meetings, everyone participates in setting our goals. At the end, at least one increment, a usable piece of software should be produced. Sprint review. This is the time to show off the increment. Sprint retrospective. A sprint retrospective is a meeting held after a sprint ends. During this meeting, everyone reflects on the process. A team building exercise may also be offered. An important goal of this event is continuous improvement. Now, what are the Scrum artifacts? Friend, an artifact is something of historical interest that warrants being re examined. In Scrum product development, artifacts are used to see what has been done and what is still in the queue. It is useful to look at Scrum artifacts in Scrum planning meetings. Scrum artifacts include the following: Product backlog. This refers to what remains to be done during a product backlog grooming session. The development team works with the business owner to prioritize work that has been backlogged. The product backlog may be fine tuned during a process called backlog refinement. Sprint backlog. This is a list of tasks that must be completed before selected product backlog items can be delivered. These are divided into time based user stories. Product increment. This refers to what has been accomplished during a sprint, all the product backlog items, as well as what's been created during all previous sprints. The product increment reflects how much progress has been made. Burn down. A burn down chart is a visual representation of the amount of work that still needs to be completed. A burn down chart has a y-axis that shows work and an x-axis that shows time. Ideally, the chart illustrates a downward trend as the amount of work still left to do over time burns down to zero. Now, what are the benefits of the Scrum methodology? Friend, there are so many benefits are there. Some of them are mentioned below. The first one is the quality products. The sprint retrospective part of the Scrum process builds in feedback and continuous improvement. As a result, development team using the methodology deliver high quality products. Teamwork. Scrum creates cohesive software development teams that communicate effectively, meet deadlines, and solve problems together. Members trust and respect one another and understand their time is valuable. This might mean limiting the daily Scrum to a strict time box window. Some software development teams include a hacking sprint in their process. It allows developers to work on new concepts, try out new ideas, and take ownership of products. Flexibility. With the scope, teams have to adopt their tools and process to new circumstances as they happen. Product definitions may change as development processes and effective team deliver those changes within a few iterations. Regular product backlog meetings enable a team to rearrange priorities before products are moved into the sprint. Reduced risk, Scrum focuses on a predictable, customer sustainable delivery pace and consistent feedback that gives team a chance to mitigate risk early, and often short sprint let teams fall fast if an idea doesn't work, keeping the risk of failure manageable. Decrease time to market. Scrum aims to release product and their feature in predictable increments using well-defined sprints. The entire product does not need to be done for features to be released. Sprints are designed to add shippable feature at every increment. Complete products made up of those shipped features are known as complex products. Higher return on investment. Scrum combined benefits lead to a higher ROI, return on investment. Constant feedback leads to less costly mistakes late in the process and a better product with fewer defects. Decreased time to market and incremental releases bring in revenue faster. So friend, thank you, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you friends.